Oh, these walnuts smell divine. The smell of toasted walnuts, oh boy.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, it just makes me happy. You know what it reminds me of? It's kind of like when you go to the movie theater, the smell of popcorn and butter. You just know you're in for a good time. And let me tell you, you're in for a good time right now. That's good. Let me ask you, why is a pear called a pear? I mean, especially when there's just one of them. Well, it comes from an old Aramaic word, pira, which means fruit. I mean, what did you think it was gonna mean? Blossom of the gods, or tendril of Theodosia? Sometimes a pira is just a pira. All right, go for a port bath, little piras.
Port is a fortified red wine originally from a city named Porto in Portugal. It keeps forever and has a rich, thick, nutty taste. Perfect with cheese and at the end of a meal.
Look at these. Don't they look like little jewels? Too big for earrings, though. But not too big for big, bold flavors. Like, I don't know, Roquefort cheese, for example? Oh, Nick, what would I do without him? Boy. Now, what kind of TV chef would I be if I didn't make a dressing out of this beautiful pear-infused reduced port? And 2 types of vinegar, because sweet needs tart. I got me a port vinaigrette, and now I got me a big white plate. Yes, Daddy. Look at all of these incredible textures I have going on. Nice, fresh leaf lettuce, and then these beautiful, soft rubies of poached pears. Oh my goodness. I'm not done. I have this crumbly Roquefort cheese. And if you're not familiar with it, it's like blue cheese, a little bit more mild, and made from sheep's milk. And once more in the texture department, hey, look at this crunchy relish. Ooh. And here we have it. Poached pear and Roquefort salad. Break this one out if you want to get fancy. And speaking of fancy, I still have one more whatever left for you, and it's a spin on a classic.